How to create QR code for Google Form. To create a QR code for your Google Form, it is basically very simple. Start off by launching your Google Form in your device. Now over here, navigate to Google Forms. Then tap on the form in which you wish to create a QR code of. Ensure that your form is actually complete and without any mistake. Now what you can do is over here, make sure firstly always toggle on your responses button. Now once you have rest assured of this, what's next is you can just tap on copy responder link. Or if it's not available over here, you can just tap on this plus sign button over here and you can just copy the link from here as well. Once done, now open up your Canva and in the search bar, you can search for 1080 into 1080. This will actually have a square layout that would be perfect for our QR code. So you can just tap on create a design and in here as well, you can just click on 1080 into 1080 and give it a search. Then tap on create a custom size and repeat the same process. Now once you find this, go ahead and navigate to the option of apps. In the apps option, you need to search for QR code and tap on the search button. Over here, you can click on any of this application. I'll be selecting QR code. Then tap on the open button. Over here, it will ask you for a URL. Just paste the URL that we copied of our form. Then tap on generate code. And this is the code of the Google form that I recently created. Now responder can just scan and get access to your form. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.